Etta James is playing At Last at Walmart. That's a perfect thing for our children going away for school. Refrigerator for $193, this portable, and also for $93. This is the cheapest one that I've seen. Wine? No, that's a wine cellar. Oh, they better not be drinking no wine. Okay. Let me see. This is a Gallant's, and it's a double door compact refrigerator. I don't see the price for that one. But yeah, I saw this on their list, and they need a small little microwave too. I want to see if I can find one of those. Talk to you later.